The name Millionaire Shortbread represents the rich layers of expensive butter, cream, and fine chocolate. Legend says the Lamington was created by accident when a sponge cake was dropped into chocolate icing. A staple of the fika break, these treats became popular during World War II, when real chocolate was in short supply. Known as patient sweets, Pişmaniye is named after the Turkish word for regret due to its difficult preparation. Kaju Katli is traditionally decorated with vark, a layer of real edible silver that signifies purity and luxury. In the 18th century, monks used egg whites to starch their clothes, leaving them with surplus yolks for baking. While now a joyful Christmas tradition, the name comes from an ancient Greek word for a sacred funeral meal. Named after the Spanish word for dust, these cookies are designed to melt into sweet powder on the tongue. Created in 1918, these treats were named turtles because the arrangement of pecans and chocolate resembles a shell. The Sfogliatella's iconic shell shape was designed in a 17th century monastery to resemble a monk's hood. Legend says that in the 14th century, rebels used mooncakes to smuggle secret messages past enemy lines. These cookies use real maple syrup, which was so valuable in early Canadian history it was called liquid gold. Cannelés were created by nuns in Bordeaux, using leftover egg yolks gifted by local winemakers. The name Daifuku translates to great luck, making these strawberry-filled mochi a popular gift for success. Despite their name, these contain no potatoes. They are a playful winter treat made from premium marzipan. Belgian pralines were invented by an apothecary who used chocolate to hide the bitter taste of medicine.